Nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Oh, oh snap. He got me. He got me.
What's going on, you guys? In today's video, I'm back with another Tesla Performance Model 3. This time it's finished in red with black rims and a white interior. And in today's video, we're going to be spending some time with some friends who have some pretty special cars. And we'll see how this thing can hold up. Stay tuned. Ooh, look at this. Ooh.
Making the fashion, man.
Man, hey, how's it going? Joseph.
Fat cat, bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
Likewise.
What a beast.
Oh my God, it's ridiculous.
Sheesh.
Ooh. I'm telling you, man, one of these days. One of these days.
That's right.
Chilling.
What's going on, man? How are you?
Good, man. How
Good to see you, man. Good, good, good.
Man. So again, like I said, man, so this is Joseph. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's my name, Joseph Marcus.
Joseph Marcus?
Yeah, just the full thing with a K.
Merch, man. Look at the
Yep,
merch.
yep.
There you go. Yeah.
Boom.
There you go, Joseph Marcus.
Yes, sir. What about you? What's your channel?
Fat Cat.
Fat Cat?
F-A-T-K-A-T.
For sure.
Obviously, you got no Will Motivation, man. So we about
Yes, sir. There he is.
Hey, man, so
If he could be an athlete,
we're motivational.
you
You
could be.
asking what he do for a living.
Especially how I used to be leaning on him.
Right here.
Nah, tell him what you do, brother.
No, I do heart and lung surgery.
There it is.
Yeah.
Now, how long did you have to sacrifice to study to do what you do?
Probably, let's see. I never did math, so give me a second. I'm just kidding. It's like 15 years of like schooling and training.
Okay,
Like actually, like 15 years
Of schooling and training.
after
Yeah.
high school. Wow.
Yeah, after high school, yeah, 15 years.
All right, so now for those of you guys that are saying, well, man, I don't want to study for 15 years. But as soon as he got done studying and got his career cracking, here he comes with the Huracan and the nice thing. So sometimes, you know, you got to make sacrifices.
Yep.
And you got to put in the hard work, but then there's a reward.
Yep.
I appreciate you sharing that with us.
Yeah, no problem.
It's all the way back.
Hey, let me show you what you do.
Does the steering wheel go up at all?
The steering wheel does go up.
It does go up?
You want me to push it up?
Yeah, I need the steering wheel to go up.
All
I
right.
see it right now. Right?
Where I'm happy I'm not that far. These cars, it's tough. Like this is a long ride.
You got it?
Try this again.
Yeah, one leg in.
Leg.
Put your hand on that bolster. Yep.
Bolster.
Hey, and then fall in there.
He got it.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Real question is, how's he about to get out?
This thing, you can get a Tesla. You can get a Tesla.
Foot on the brake, and then push the button. You can let it go. That's all it is to it.
Alright, man. Hey, I'll check y'all out.
How's that look?
Beautiful, man.
Let's check it out.
You get it a little bit easier, too.
Boom, inside the G-Wagon.
Yeah, you do.
Smells super nice.
Oh, here we go.
Boom. Man, listen to this thing. I'm just setting up the GoPro on the Model 3. About to see what this Aventador can do.
sounds angry. This sounds pissed. Yo, this thing is sick. What? It shows it right here. Drive by itself. Oh my god. I was like, where's the blind spot detection at?
This is nuts.
It is nuts. We're not gonna get no rolls in this.
It's too windy.
What you gotta say about the Tesla?
Man, I'm impressed too. It keeps up initially, but then man, the Lambo pulls away big time. But
It's pretty impressive with this car.
it's not bad. Yeah, the torque is there.
You got more respect for Elon Musk.
That's right.
This thing is pretty sick. I'll admit it. You got me hooked on Teslas. Elon Musk, sponsor my guy right here. Give him like a free Tesla or something because he's done it for me.
The Roadster or something.
Yeah, Roadster. So we could dust this Lamborghini right here and put it on YouTube. Promote your car, bro.
Back home safe in the garage. I'm about to take Will for a quick spin in the Tesla and call it a day. Boom, there it is.
So you just turn it on by pushing a button?
Yeah, you put the key right here and then foot on the brake.
You just set it there?
That's it. You set it to turn it on and then you can...
Wait, this thing is on?
Yeah, it's on right now. So we're in park. Boom.
That's weird, dude. That's already weird.
I don't know what it's talking
quiet,
about though.
yeah.
Is it saying I'm not buckled up?
Yeah.
What?
It's got a rear.
That tripping because I am.
So it's a backup camera, but you can have it running while you're driving too.
Well, I gotta be able to hear this. Listen, all you hear is the tires. This is weird. Huh? This is crazy. So how do you tell like the battery? Oh, right there.
Range of 114 miles. And then if you put in like, let's say you want to go back to that mall that we were at, it'll tell you how much battery you'll have once you get there too.
Oh, okay.
So it'll tell you to take.
It's calculating constantly.
Yeah, exactly.
That's weird, dude. Does it take some getting used to when you're driving it?
Only the regenerative braking. So you take your foot off the brake and it slows down like crazy. So it's recharging the battery actually.
Oh.
But once you get used to it, you can actually use it to drive. Like coming up on a turn, you let off.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm good for doing that when I drive manual.
Yep.
All right, this is how you can tell what your fuel is right there. Your electric charge is, I guess, what you would say. All right. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah. Oh, oh snap! He got me. He got me.
Fumbling the phone.
Yo, my phone flew back into my face.
I wasn't ready for that.
Dude, that was crazy, man.
Man,
Do that again.
don't even.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang. You can kind of hear something like a little electric or something. It's like.
Sound like
That's intense, bro.
Man, you get.
Dang, it kind of can feel that in your chest a little bit.
Break my hand.
Let's try going from a complete stop.
Dude, that was intense, bro. Oh, snap! Yo, bro,
This is something else.
that's dang. Yo, he got me on that first one though. Well, off camera flew right out of my hand. Dang, that was dope though. Where's that farting noise? Dang, you squeezed the farts out of somebody with this thing. All right, man, so there it is. The Tesla is crazy quick, goodness. For real, bro. I think my hat got tighter when it took off. Man, I'm gonna go home and take a dump.